How to make face shield easy and fast. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own face shield at home. Okay, first you need to get a scissor, a piece of sponge, elastic band, masking tape, a double side tape, and this. Okay, what it does? This is a tint window film, which normally used like car tinted or house tinted, but today we're going to use this as our shield. Let's begin. Okay, first, take the elastic band. We need to stick on the edges of both sides. Use the masking tape. Okay, it's going to be like that. The edges and the edges. Okay, then we use the double tape to stick along the masking tape and the tint. Something like that. This is the double tape. Then remove the sticker of the double tape. And then the last step is just place the sponge on top of your double tape. And press hard. And done. Okay, let's wear it. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please share and subscribe. For Malaysia Frontliners, if you need the tint, please contact us. We will supply it for you. Stay at home, save the nation.